Dito ako guys magluto guys. I love this how to cook. Put so much onion, garlic, and of course, ginger. Cook this one first guys. Let's go. So guys, yung patikolan guys. Unahin natin yung luto o ganito guys. No? Then we get to put into our liver. Cook the liver first. Like this. Just like this guys. Parang adobo style ito guys. Just like adobo style. That's our adobo style guys. Adobo, patipolo, and of course the liver. So guys, halo-halo na natin. Kasi yung patikolan din boiled. Pinayan sa patikolan already boiled. I don't know what is the English of this particular pork lard yun guys. Tapos guys, tanggalin natin yung na. Ito, tanggal the liver. The liver tanggal ha. Take out the liver guys. I just really like that for it. Kasi liver is very easy to cook. The patikolan is very long time guys. That's why we need to make a patikolan cooking. Patikolan cooking guys. It's time to cook patikolan. We will put water in the hot water. Ayan. Look at that. The beauty of the best. Ayan guys. Ginagawa na natin yan guys. Okay. Kasi syempre kailangan natin siya ano muna natin siya guys. Tawag dito guys. Boiling. We boil first the patikolan. We need to boil the patikolan guys, you know. Malalaki yung ganyan guys. Hindi ko yan hiniwa. Ganyan ko na lang. Parang ano lang. Palakihan. Tanggalin na natin yung manok guys. Yung ano ng manok ribs. Kasi nagagyan na may dan sa soup. Very easy to cook guys. Ito lang talagang mahirap guys. Ang batikulong lutuin talaga. It's not easy to cook the batikulong guys. Batikulong is not easy to do. We will put the sauce. Sauce guys. Hindi na pag sauce. Sauce meron na. Very simple lang talaga ang niluluto natin. This is a black pepper. Very easy to cook. Enjoy kayo dyan mga gupita. The labor is so expensive, my gosh. Lagay tayo ng konting ano guys. Just put a little salt. There. That's our. Diba guys? Ang patikulan talaga guys, matagal maluto guys, no? Takes so long. This patikulan. Okay. What time now? It's 8. Ito talaga guys ang matagal. Patikulan. Wow, there's an init. It's so very, very hot here. Let's say wala pa naman ano guys. Okay guys, batikolon is real. Ganito talaga guys ang batikolon guys. Matagal na lang po ang batikolon. Kaya, you need to be patient. And of course, we need to put our liver. Yan na, liver na yan. Kasi the liver is good to be. Because, but guys, before I cook this one guys, I boiled, okay? Don't say I didn't. Well, I boiled this. I boiled first before I cook. Yeah, because the ano guys, we put water again because but it's already no need to make rumble na guys. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching and God bless everyone. We need to put some soy sauce. So, diba guys? Yun ang masarap guys, maraming soy sauce, oyster sauce. And then you put a little sugar. Because this is adobo guys. I forgot to buy them guys. I forgot to buy the chili. Thank you so much guys for watching and God bless. Yun na. Yun na guys. Yan na lang guys. Ay. Okay. Okay guys. Ano ka pa yan? Ganyan lang guys ang pagluluto guys ng isang cooker. Ang pagluluto ng isang cooker. Alam niyo ba naman guys, if you are a chief cook, very so much. Ay naku guys. Thank you so much guys for watching and God bless. I hope everyone is enjoying. Okay. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching everyone. Lagyan natin siya ng maanghang guys. Para siya naging maanghang. Lagyan natin siya ng maraming maanghang. Maraming maanghang guys. Para na tapos ito. Ito kasi guys, napapalasa po ng mga ano yan. Tapos lagyan natin siya ng white wine. Para na kung may white wine siya guys, mawala yung if you put white wine, the smell or what? What's that? I know water in there. The smell, this one guys. Sorry ako. Hindi ko ba ako dito. Doon tubig, ang grabe naman bilis ng tubig doon. Ay, no more there. Kasi alam mo naman yan, yan, kaya hindi pwede na. Okay, hindi yan kumakain ng ganito guys, kasi alam nyo yan, hindi talaga yan siya kumakain. Okay guys, that's all. Thank you so much guys for watching. Lagyan natin siya ng vinegar. Ayan na guys, yung vinegar natin. Vinegar. Okay, we will cover. Thank you so much guys for watching and God bless.